Hi, I'm Viktor, simulation specialist at PLM Group. In this video I'll show some defeaturing in preparation for meshing with Simulia on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Let's defeature and prepare the step part for meshing. So we're going to use an abstraction shape. So first we need to open this one. So I'm going to open the step in a new app, and we're going to do the abstraction shape here. And in the abstraction shape we're going to defeature and take away just a few of the details here. So I'm going to start by inserting the abstraction shape. So insert abstraction shape, and let's name it something so that we can find it later, like this. And then I'm going to make a copy of the original geometry by first going into the abstraction shape. So I'm in here, and this one is now open in the geometry idealization. For most of these things we could also use CATIA Part Design app, or maybe even the wireframe and surface apps. This is the one for preparing geometry for simulation specifically. So I'm inside this one, so let's make a copy of the original body, copy, and I'm going to paste it in the abstraction shape with the paste special tool, and I'm going to keep the link, so as result with link. And then to be sure that we're looking at the right thing, I'm going to hide the original part. So I'm doing the abstraction shape because I can't make any changes to the body if it comes from another CAD system, or if I don't want to mess with the original geometry. Then we can use the abstraction shapes, which are quite nice. So here in the abstraction shape I can now do some modifications. The logo, we don't want to have to mesh this one. We can tell the mesher to ignore logos in some cases. We can also use the defeaturing tool here, which works for some logos. For some logo filter it's possible to take it away. For some cases you might have to do it the sort of manual way. So let's just do a pocket or a cut extrude here. So I'm going to do a sketch on this face here, and I'm going to do a rectangle, and I'm going to hold the shift button and just make a rectangle and just cut it out basically. So let's do the solid tools, let's use the pocket tool, and let's just cut it out. There we go. Then some other things I want to do is take away the little fillet on the outside here, because it's on the outside, so I don't want to bother having to mesh it. So I'm going to use the defeaturing, one of the defeaturing tools on the defeature tab. I'm going to go to remove face, and then we're just going to remove the fillets here on the outside. And there we go, some preparation for meshing. Thanks for watching.